Today, I'll show you how to connect PayPal to Facebook as payment method. First, open the Facebook app on your phone or go to Facebook in your browser. Sign into the Facebook account where you want to add PayPal. In 2026, Facebook payment settings are usually managed through MetaPay and Account Center. MetaPay can be used across Facebook, Instagram, Messenger, and some participating online stores, depending on your country and the payment feature you are using. Meta says, MetaPay lets you add a credit card, debit card, or PayPal account as a payment method, where supported. To add PayPal from Facebook, tap your profile picture or menu icon. Go to Settings and Privacy, then tap Settings. Now look for Account Center. Open Account Center, then find MetaPay. Inside MetaPay, look for Payment Methods. Tap Add Payment Method. If PayPal is available for your account, you should see PayPal as one of the options. Select PayPal. Facebook may redirect you to the PayPal login page. Sign into your PayPal account using your PayPal email or mobile number and password. Then review the connection request. If everything looks correct, approve the connection. After approving, you should be sent back to Facebook or MetaPay. Now check your payment methods again and make sure PayPal appears in the list. If you have more than one payment method, you may be able to set PayPal as your default payment method. This means Facebook will use PayPal first when you make eligible payments. You can use MetaPay on Facebook for things like shopping, donations, games, and other supported purchases, depending on availability in your region. If you want to use PayPal for Facebook or Meta Ads, the steps are slightly different. Go to Meta Ads Manager. Open Billing and Payments. Choose the ad account you want to update. Then go to Payment Methods. Click Add Payment Method. Choose PayPal if it appears, then sign into PayPal and approve the connection. Meta's business help pages list PayPal as an accepted payment option for Meta Ads, along with major credit and debit cards and other supported methods. If PayPal does not appear, it may not be available for your country, account type, ad account, or specific Facebook feature. Also, make sure your PayPal account is active, verified, and has a valid funding source like a bank account, card, or PayPal balance. Never connect PayPal through links sent by strangers. Always add it from Facebook settings, MetaPay, or Meta Ads Manager. So, to keep it simple, open Facebook, go to Settings, then Account Center. Open MetaPay, choose Payment Methods, add PayPal, sign into PayPal, approve the connection, and set it as default if needed. And that's how you connect PayPal to Facebook as payment method. Hope the tutorial was helpful, subscribe to my channel, and see you in the next video.